My name is Atha Pratap. I study in class 4. My school name is Renaissance Academy, Bernardpur Balapar Road, Gorakhpur. Now I am going to form a volcano. We have to need vinegar and food and red food color and baking powder. And I have prepared that volcano model. I have made this from, there is a bottle and this is gravel, there is also, and this is mud, and there is a hole. We have to mix the vinegar and red food color. इसका अच्छा गुलाल लगा तो हो रहा है ड्रेस देखा था ये थी Now I have poured the mixture of the vinegar and the powder. Now I am going to pour their baking powder. Now I have taken 1 cup baking soda. I am going to
चेक करते हैं
the baking powder has not worked, that's why I am using Eno. पूरा डालो This project have worked. This project worked. The volcano has